Hi everyone, so we have another package today, and this is another gunpla. Okay, and basically this is the Calibarn from the Witch of Mercury. And as far as my RC updates goes, I'm still waiting for some parts on my Kyosho RC motorcycle, the MK2 or HOR version. All right, and now going back, so this is a kit I bought from an online platform here in the Philippines. And shout out to the shop where I bought this because I really appreciate the packaging. Like there was a bubble wrap on top, and then the actual kit with the box is inside. And as you can see here, there's another bubble wrap inside the outer box that protects the actual kit and its box. Alright guys, so I want to take this time to appreciate the box and the box art. So I ordered this locally, and I like how they took care of the packaging. It's really nice. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. And this is Gundam Calibarn. Wow. And this is his ultimate weapon. HD Witch from Mercury series, which I'm currently watching. Bandai Spirits 2023, made in Japan. A Bandai. So this is the original. Right, 1/144 scale. Gundam Calibarn. And let's look at the sides. Comes with display stand. Oh, so nice. So it has a display stand for free. Awesome. Then glimmering rainbow colored shell unit. Okay, so it has these rainbow colored shell unit on its chest. And then gun bits displayed alongside the Gundam Calibarn by using two sets of Witch from Mercury weapon display bases sold separately. Okay, so it has the gunned bits, and I'll be needing the stand bases. It's okay. It's actually it becomes a shield, so I'll just make a shield. And then colorful results enjoy by simply assembling the kit. Unpainted state. So this is the unpainted state, right? Look at the side, number 26, Bandai Hobby.net, HG144. Look at the box art, guys, so nice. And then what is this? So Soleta Mercury is the pilot as well. A second year student in the piloting department at the Articacia School of Mercury. Oh, School of Technology, who transferred from Mercury. Alright. There's a little trivia there. Look at that. So nice. This is my first HG gunpla, and taking a little break from RC. Not really, actually. I'm waiting on some Kyosho HOR parts that I ordered from Japan, and we are gonna be featuring that once it arrives, unboxing it as well. Made in Japan. Nipper to build, no glue, colored plastics, so it's already pre-molded with colors, but of course we're not gonna be satisfied with that, so we're gonna be custom painting it. Okay, that is nice. And then on this part, just another box art. Okay, let's check what's inside. Voila. And this is what we got. It has this stickers. So we got 1, 2, 3. Alright, we got 3 plastic bags of runners. Quality is superb, guys. And then we got a manual. Oh, hold on. What is this? Some type of brochure or something? It's in Japanese. I can't understand it. Maybe I'll transfer or translate this later. It's all in Japanese. I need a translation on this, but it looks good. Looks cool. Maybe they're promoting Gundam Seed Freedom 2024 126. Not too sure, but we'll see. And then this is the manual, guys. Look at that. So it has both English and Japanese instructions. Just look at the quality of this manual. So good. Okay, let me open it. So this is the first part. These are the parts: A, B, C, D, D to E, F. We'll be double checking this later. I wish there's like a part here where it shows all the bags part, just to double check if everything is complete. Model cars has it, RCs have it, like they have a check mark or checklist for the parts bag that should be included in the kit, so you can easily identify if it's complete or not. But by far, I do appreciate the quality of the manual. Look at that. It's very detailed. Just by looking at it, it's easy to follow. Alright, I'm beginner in gunpla, but of course we have our years of experience in building RCs, especially from scratch. But I think these are pretty easy even for someone who is just starting in the hobby or any hobby. Look It's really good though. And then this is the back. Alright, and next video, of course, we are gonna be building this. So right now it's just the unboxing, and we'll be building it on our next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys.